Hi students, today we will move to the next lesson, that is lesson number 9, The Challenged Conqueror, Pandit Dr. Puttaraj Gawai. Okay, so first we will move to the glossary. Attire means dressed, legendary, well known for long, humility, being humble, pious, religious or deeply devoted, aggravated, increased, now no bounds, unlimited, without any boundary, evident, observable or noticeable, unquenchable, unappreciable, that which cannot be satisfied, renowned, famous or well known, sublime, great or magnificent. So, let's move to the lesson. Look at the photograph. He is a person without eyesight, attired in a plain dhoti and spotless clean khadi full shirt with a laced turban adorning his head. Okay, so look at this photograph. He is a person without eyesight, without eyes. Okay, he is a blind person. Okay, he is a blind and he attired in a plain dhoti. Attired means dressed. Okay, he is dressed up in a plain dhoti or wear in a plain dhoti. He wore a plain dhoti and spotless clean khadi full shirt with a laced turban adorning his head. Turban means peta. This is a peta, okay, turban, okay. In Kannada, peta, okay. Adoring his head. Adoring means worship, okay. So, worship in another word, suitable for his head, okay. Then, vibhuti, sacred ash, and on his forehead. Vibhuti on his forehead. On his forehead, he has vibhuti. Sacred ash. Sacred means pure. Okay, ash means bhasma or vibhuti. Okay, so a sandal tilaka between the eyebrows, and he has a sandal tilaka between the eyebrows, and a braille wristwatch on the left hand, and has a braille wristwatch on his left hand, and he has a rosary of rudrakshi round his neck, and he has a rudrakshi round his neck, and he is playing on the veena, okay. So can you guess who the person is? Can you guess? Yes, you have guessed it right. You have guessed it right. It is none other than the legendary musician Pandit Dr. Puttaraj Gawai, a picture of deep simplicity. So, he is none other than a legendary musician. He is a musician, Pandit Dr. Puttaraj Gawai. Okay, so see in the picture, there is seen that his simplicity, right? So, the word Gawai means a great singer. So, Gawai means a great singer. Okay, so Puttaraj Gawai is a Vagyekara. Vagyekara means a composer. Okay, so he has created and contributed new ragas to the world of music. So here Puttaraj Gawai is Vagyekara. Vagyekara means a composer. Okay, composer means in Kannada Sayojaka. Okay, so he has created and contributed new ragas to the world of music. In the world of music, he contributed new ragas. Okay, so he is a legendary musician. He is a legendary musician, a vocalist, a gifted writer, a playwright, an instrumentalist, an ardent lover of music, a proprietor and director, and a poet, all rolled into one. So, he is a legendary musician. Okay, he is a good musician and also a vocalist Vocalist means a singer, okay, and a gifted writer. He is writer also and a playwriter, okay, and instrumentalist. Instrumentalist means Vadyakara in Kannada, okay. He also a Vadyakara and ardent. Ardent means a pure lover of music, and he is a pure lover of music. Ardent means pure lover, okay. So a proprietor. Proprietor means a master. He is a master and director and a poet all rolled into one. He is all rolled into one. He is one person, but he has all these things, or all these all about this knowledge, okay. So he dedicated his entire life for educating the visually challenged and destitute children. So he dedicated his entire life for whom? For educating the visually challenged and destitute children who were blind children and destitute children. Destitute means nirgatikaru in Kannada, okay. So though he was an embodiment means great knowledge. He was an embodiment of knowledge. He was a great knowledge, okay. So he considered himself putta means small in everything. Chikkavanu, okay. So in Kannada, chikkavanu. Himself putta. His dedication to his guru was great, and it speaks of his great humanity. So his dedication to his guru was great, and it speaks of his great humility. Okay. Now enough. Okay.